Lila there for lunch. It's really hot, so we're trying to get inside to go into the air conditioning right now. But that is where we are heading, and that's what we're doing today. I figured she's the perfect age for it right now, and I want to do that before everything shuts down again. So that's what we're doing today. Let's go. What you think? Yeah. Louder. Good job. that's a man holding the forest. What's he do? What's the cheetah do? Louder. I can't hear you. Louder. Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yay!
Throw it down here. You gotta put it down. There you go.
It lights it up. Why is it so hard to play cards in the jungle?
Because it's just trees.
It's just trees. Trees. No, there are too many cheetahs.
Cheetahs.
I thought you would have gotten that one. Your fries? Yeah. They're gonna come out. She said, where'd the fries go?
What? Food stops here.
You didn't even take a bite.
$17.
You hear him? What do you think it is? Is it a surprise coming?
Yeah.
I know it is.
You don't know what it is?
I know. I know it is.
You know, are you excited?
Yeah. I know it is.
Oh, you think it's a new toy?
Oh.
Let's wait and see.
Looks like
A prize? Yep. You don't know what it is. Yep, it's coming.
Give me some.
Bye, Princess.
Say bye, thank you.
Mommy wants them.
His name's Coconut.
what's up, brother?
Mommy,
Oh, okay. And that sums up our adventure to Rainforest Cafe for lunch. Did you have fun? What was your favorite animal? The monkeys? The monkeys? Did you have a good lunch?
I put a pink popcorn.
Yes. There was a unicorn fish and stuff. Did you see all the animals? What did you got him at the end? What did you eat?
Nugget.
And we got a volcano,
Yeah,
ice cream and stuff.
yeah,
Did you have so much fun?
yeah.
Alrighty. Well, there you go. Lyle had fun and that's all that matters. Say bye, everyone. See you next video. Keep it blissful.